Assalamu alaikum Chatoray party. Today we are making delicious white mutton karahi, which is easy and simple to make. So without any delay, let's start. The ingredients for white mutton karahi are mutton 750 grams, sliced onion 1 medium, crushed garlic 1 tablespoon, crushed ginger 1 tablespoon, green chilies chopped 2 to 3, salt 1 teaspoon or according to your taste, white pepper 1 teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, small cardamom 4 to 5, cloves 5 to 6, peppercorn 10 to 15, all spices powder half teaspoon, yogurt 1 cup, fresh cream half cup. Let's start. In a pan, heat quarter cup oil. Add sliced onion and sauté it. When it becomes transparent, add cardamom, cloves and peppercorns. Fry it for a few seconds. Now add mutton and fry it till its color is changed. It will take 4 to 5 minutes. Add ginger and garlic. Again, fry it for 2 minutes. Add salt. Green chilies. Give it a quick mix. Now add 1 cup of water. Cover the pan and cook on low to medium heat till mutton is soft. Oh wow, that's starting to look delicious. Now add white pepper, black pepper, coriander powder and cumin powder. Mix it well. Add yogurt and mix. While adding yogurt, heat should be very low, otherwise yogurt may curdle. Cover the pan and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Oh wow, that looks so delicious. Add fresh cream and mix well. Here also turn the heat very low while adding cream. Add allspice powder and julienne ginger. Mix it. Cover the pan and cook on low heat for 2 minutes. Yummy mutton karahi is ready. Enjoy it with naan or parathas. Personally, I really love this karahi. These soft mutton pieces which are rich and creamy in taste. And I'm sure you guys will also love it. So give it a try and tell us in the comments below. Subscribe, hit the notification bell and like this video. Bye!